Okay, so this activity is a family class activity, meaning everyone's going to do it. So you don't need to make a copy. Uh, Very simple how we would get there. So if we go to our shared drives, we're going to go into AP Government. Let's say, for example, you're in second period. I'm going to open second period. Then I'm going to open class activities, and you'll see it waiting there. Then from that point, just open it, and that way we all can work on it. We don't have to make a copy. But the importance of the rights of the accused, or 3.8 in our AP curriculum here, is this 14th Amendment and what due process is. So if we look at this and we read the history of it, why it's important, um, for a lot of reasons, because we're in this whole federalistic look of states battling each other, but also federal laws superseding, right? So we need to look at that and see how due process really morphs itself in the 14th Amendment in general. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at these cases to the left over here. Each family is going to be responsible for one case. So as you click down, you'll see they change. The format changes, but the case changes. So for example, if I were to click this, I can then go as my individual family, click on the link there, go to it. And you're going to notice everything about the cases there. You can click on things, you can see it differently, whatever you need to. But what our job is to answer these questions and to really understand how it relates in today's world, because honestly, due process is a very, very big thing in our government if you just research it. I'm not going to give many things away because I want you to research and look at that. It should not take a long time. We just want to start getting familiar with what happens to the rights of the accused, because in the United States, you are innocent until proven guilty. So even though you're accused, you still are technically innocent, right? So you do have rights. And so we're going to look at these cases and go from there on that one. So pretty straightforward in what you need to do. I would get in the habit of the reason that these are formatted the way they are is only, whoops, remind me tomorrow, is only write stuff so it fits in there. We don't want the things making any longer, so I always preset summaries so that way they can go in that one. So fairly simple on that. The last one to make note of here is the importance of the court cases, or the court case, for example, is I want you to color code it what you think. And so let's just simply, let's use yellow because I like yellow. And why not? It's so colorful and fun. So if you think it is really, really important and it's something that we desperately needed, it would be a 5. If you think it is absolutely heinous and there is nothing for it, it's an embarrassment that it was even there, go ahead and mark it a 1, anywhere in between. And we will do podcasts about this later, but this is an activity to help us kind of understand due process and the 14th Amendment in general.